Very good morning, children. So this is the literature chapter 5. Okay. Saskit goes to school. So what is the topic of the lesson? Saskit goes to school. So let us see what it is said in the lesson about Saskit. Saskit is a name of a girl. Okay. Saskit, she is going to school. So let us see how she goes to school. What it is said about her in this chapter. Okay, so before that, let us see the author introduction and new words. Got it? Yes, here comes the author introduction. Sujata Padmanabhan. Okay, Sujata Padmanabhan is the author. So she is a trained special educator who works with children with different disabilities. Disabilities मालूम है? The meaning Viklang in Hindi we used to say Viklang, no? Yes, so disabilities. So she is a special educator, okay, who works with those children, disabilities children. So she has been associated with the work of the Nengal. Okay, Nengal, it is a institution. So Nengal Institute for People with Disabilities in Ladakh since 2001, right? So from 2001 even she is associated matlab she has joined or she has combined, okay, with this institution also, with this institute of Nengal for the people of disabilities. Got it? So here also for the people of disabilities she has combined, she has joined her works. She's working there for the people of disabilities. Okay. She is also a member of Kalpariksha Environment Action Group, right? So even she is a member also in the Kalpariksha Environment Action Group. It is a group, okay, association. So in this association she is a member and is involved in environment education programs. Okay. So environment education program also she has involved. So in Ladakh and Pune, okay, especially in these two places. Got it? Yeah. So let us go for the new words now. Amle. The first word is Amle. So here only the Ladakhi language hai na, in Ladakh they speak Ladakhi, so only that language will be little strange for us, but Baki sab it is very simple and easy lesson. So yahan Amle, it is a Ladakhi word for mother, okay, for mother they say Amle. And next Able, next word is Able, it is a Ladakhi word for father, Able, okay. And Amchi for doctor, Ladakhi word for doctor, Amchi. And Julie is a greeting, okay, Ladakhi greeting. As we say good morning, good evening, so in Ladakhi they say Julie for hello and goodbye, okay. Even for hello it is Julie and for goodbye also it is Julie. And next word it is Mimle. Okay, Mimle, it is for grandfather. For grandfather they say Mimle. Then uneven. The word uneven तो आपको पहले ही मालूम है ना, मैंने तो in earlier lesson also मैंने बोला what it is uneven. I gave the example of road uneven है ना, it is not good. तो देखो not soft, probably because of many pebbles. Because of due to pebbles भी मैंने बोला था, याद में है क्या? Pebbles, small soft shiny stones, it is called as pebbles. And next word it is tearfully मतलब tearfully crying, आंसू है ना हिंदी में, आंसू, yes. तो very sadly, yes, it is sadly, such that there are tears in one's eyes, okay. So tears in one's eyes, so it is very sadly. Got it? I think that's it. New words, and here it is our lesson. So let us start the lesson. Saskit woke up early. She looked out of the window. In her village of Skitpo Yal in Ladakh. Okay, so it is a village. Skitpo, okay, Skippo is a village. Skippo Yal in Ladakh. In Ladakh, it is a village. The apricot trees were in full bloom. Okay, it is a tree. Apricot, it is a tree. It was in full bloom. Two magpies had begun their day early too. Okay, magpies, it is a bird. Magpies, it is a bird. So two birds began their day early and were busy looking for insects to eat. So that two birds now, they were busy for eating insects. They were looking for the insects. Saskit would hear Amle in the kitchen making tea. Okay, so this girl, she is aware that her mother is making tea in kitchen. Okay, today is going to be 9 years old. Saskit's first day at school. She has waited a long time for this. Okay, तो आज उसका 9th year start हो रहा है. Okay, this is the first day of 9th year. So at school, okay, लेकिन she is looking to go for school. Okay, at school, this is the 9th year. At school, she is looking to go for school. To get to Saskit school, you have to walk to the main road and before the prayer wheel, take the left path that runs along a narrow stream. When you reach the poplar trees, you cross the stream by jumping over the big rocks. On the other side, a short walk up a slope takes you to school. All the children in Saskit's village walk to school every day. But so far, Saskit has not been able to go with them. Very bad. Okay. So देखो what it is said. To go to school for Saskit, it is not such a easy thing because यहाँ देखो, my God, how much risk it is. You have to walk long, okay, main road. You have to go for the main road and before the prayer wheel, then left path जाना है. वहाँ तो narrow stream होगा तो stream को भी cross करना है. Then reach the poplar trees, वहाँ वो tree है, एक tree, वहाँ जाना है. Then again stream will be there, then big rocks will be there. You have to cross such things. Then in other side a short walk up slope होगा वहाँ. Slope, you know, no, slanting like slope will be there. तो वहाँ जाना है to take you to school. तो this much risk it is. I think she is not ordinary child. She is not ordinary girl. Might be some disabilities will be there because see other children walk to school daily. Every day they used to walk. लेकिन it has not been able to go. Saskit, she can't go with other children. So if she is 9 years old, why she can't go with other children? So might be some problem will be there. Let us see what it is. Let us go ahead. Saskit cannot walk. See, so she can't walk. That's why she didn't go to school with other children. Saskit cannot walk. She has a disability. Abley had first taken her to the village Amchi and then to the doctors in Lag. But no amount of medicine had helped her walk. Whenever Saskit had felt sad that she could not do many things as easily as her brother stubborn Abley would say, that does not matter. You can stitch and draw better than anyone. Okay. What it is said. So as we early guessed, she cannot walk. She is a disability child, okay, disability girl. So her father, he has taken her to village doctor, and even to lac also he has taken to doctor, but no medicine worked. By the medicine she couldn't get well, okay, she couldn't able to walk. So she feels bad that she cannot walk, she cannot do many things as her brother does. उसका भैया है ना, छोटा भैया, so he does everything, but she cannot do, okay, so she feels bad for this. Stabden, okay, Stabden is her elder brother. So whenever she feels bad, her daddy used to say, don't worry, it is not a matter, you can stitch and draw, okay, better than anyone. So you can move, you cannot walk, लेकिन move तो कर सकते हैं ना, you can do that better, so don't worry, okay. Yes. At first Saskit would sit at the kitchen window every day. Then one day Able brought home a wheelchair. Saskit was excited about pushing herself around in it. Now I will be able to go wherever I want, she said. Even Staban thought the chair looked like a lot of fun. Okay, even stopped and thought it is a fun. Let us see. So at first, early days, no, she won't walk because she cannot walk, no. So always she'll be sitting in the kitchen window and she'll be looking at outside. Like in one day, her father, he bought a wheelchair for her. So it was very excitement. So she pushed herself, sitting in the wheelchair. देखो यहाँ wheelchair है ना, see, like this. So she started to sit on that and push herself. So now she can able to go everywhere using this chair. Even her brother ने भी सोचा, wow, this chair is good and it is fun to sit in it, okay, because usually children likes to enjoy, they will enjoy, no, if anyone carries them, they won't like to walk much. If anyone carries, they will be good, they will feel good. So this chair, it gave her some joy, some fun, okay. Yes, so let us go ahead. Slowly Saskit learned to use her wheelchair. She would sit outside her home every evening and watch the children returning from school and the people getting off the evening bus from lac. Okay. So what? Slowly, no, she learned how to drive this, how to move this wheelchair, okay, sitting on it outside. So every evening she used to sit on it outside and she'll be watching the children who are returning from the school, and evening the people who are getting off from the bus, evening after the work or after the school, every people will go to home, no. So such things she'll be sitting and watching from her home, sitting on this chair. One evening when Saskit was sitting outside with her grandfather, a young boy came up to them. Julie, my name is Abdul. The bus driver asked me to give this to you, he said, handing over a letter to Mimle. I am in class 6. Why don't you come to school? Abdul asked Saskit. Okay, तो क्या हुआ? एक दिन when she was sitting outside on the chair with her grandfather, one boy came. तो उसने ग्रीट किया था, हेलो और हाय ऐसे तो ग्रीट किया एंड बोला मेरे नाम तो अब्दुल है, एंड ये ड्राइवर, बस ड्राइवर ने तो ये लेटर देने के लिए बोला, ओके. सो ही हैंडल्ड द लेटर टू हर ग्रैंडफादर मैमले, ओके, टू मैमले. ही अब्दुल ने हैंडल किया, ओके, अब्दुल ने दिया, एंड अब्दुल ने बोला कि आई एम इन स्टैंडर्ड 6. देन ही आस्क्ड व्हाई डोंट यू कम टू स्कूल, व्हाई डोंट यू कम टू स्कूल, टू Saskit, he asked, आप क्यों स्कूल नहीं आ रहे, लाइक दैट, ओके. So let us see what is the reply. My wheelchair cannot go over the uneven path to school, nor can I cross the stream in it. It would be very difficult for my parents to carry me to school and back every day. That's why I have never been to school, replied Saskit. Okay, तो सस्कित ने क्या बोला? ये व्हीलचेयर है ना, it won't go to the uneven path. पहले हमने देखा था ना न्यू वर्ड्स में, तो वो पाथ कैसा है, रोड कैसा है, तो it is uneven. The way to school, तो रोड तो अच्छा नहीं है, it is uneven, तो इसलिए I cannot come. And even क्रॉसिंग द स्ट्रीम, तो वो मुझसे नहीं होगा. तो ये स्ट्रीम सब क्रॉस करना है टू गो टू स्कूल, तो वो मुझसे नहीं होगा. इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी डिफ़िकल्ट है एवरी डे टू कैरी मी टू स्कूल एंड अगेन कम बैक टू होम. इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर इवन फॉर माई पेरेंट्स. तो इसलिए मैंने वो सोचा भी नहीं है, इसलिए आई डिडंट कम टू द स्कूल, शी सेड. ओके, बट वुड यू लाइक टू कम, आस्क्ड अब्दुल. लेकिन अब्दुल ने पूछा whether you like, आपको पसंद है क्या to come to school? Of course, my younger brother talks of school all the time. I want to study, make friend, wear a uniform and even write exams. Do you know my dream is to carry a school bag? Okay, fine. तो सस्कित ने क्या बोला? Of course, yeah, मुझे तो स्कूल आने के लिए बहुत मन करता है, बहुत पसंद है, because yes, तो उसने क्या बोला, सस्कित ने क्या बोला? Of course, my younger brother talks of school all the time. I want to study, make friend, wear uniform and even write exams. Do you know my dream is to carry a school bag? Okay, तो क्या बोला? हाँ, तो मुझे मन करता है स्कूल जाने के लिए, because my younger brother है ना, छोटा ब्रदर भाई, तो always he used to talk about school. तो I like to go school and मुझे स्टडी करना है, लर्न करना है, फ्रेंड्स आई नीड टू मेक फ्रेंड्स एंड यूनिफॉर्म भी वेयर करना है, एग्जाम्स लिखना है, सो सब एवरीथिंग आई लाइक. एंड आपको मालूम है कि मेरा ड्रीम भी वही है, स्कूल बैग लेके जाना है. आई मीन टू कैरी, स्कूल बैग कैरी करना है, लेकिन आई मीन विद द स्कूल बैग आई नीड टू गो टू स्कूल. तो वही इट इज़ माई ड्रीम है, तो वो मेरा ड्रीम है. वैसा उसने बोला. किसने बोला? सस्कित ने बोला. ओके, यस, देन enough said meanly. Okay, grandfather ने बोला बस, enough, stop it. Do you know you cannot go to school, Saskit. Stop dreaming, he said as he walked away. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? अब तुझे तो मालूम है, आपको तो मालूम है कि you cannot go to school, तो then why are you dreaming? तो क्यों ऐसा ड्रीम है? सो वो तो ड्रीम को जस्ट स्टॉप करो, ऐसा बोल के he went. Okay, grandfather, he walked. It makes my parents very happy to see my brother do well in school. I too want to learn. Do you understand? Asked Saskit cheerfully. ठीक है, तो सस्कित ने बोला my parents है ना, तो they are very happy. तो वो happy है मेरे भाई दे to look at my boy when he's my brother when he's going to school and when he learns well. मुझे भी वैसा करना है, even मुझे भी learn करना है, पढ़ना है, मुझे भी स्कूल जाना है. आपको तो कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या what I am saying? Do you understand? She asked. सस्कित ने पूछा. Okay, with tears. Okay, already we saw no in new words, tearfully, which means very sadly, with tears in eyes. तो with आंसू, with tears, उसने तो अब्दुल से पूछा, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, यस, सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन नेक्स्ट. यस आई डू, सस्कित. आई मस्ट गो नाउ बट आई विल सी यू सून, जूली सेड अब्दुल. ओके, तो अब्दुल ने क्या बोला? यस आई अंडरस्टैंड. आई डू मतलब सस्कित ने पूछा था ना कि डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, तो यहाँ तो उन्होंने बोला, अभी अब्दुल ने बोला हाँ मैं अंडरस्टूड, आई अंडरस्टूड, लेकिन अभी मुझे जाना है. आई विल सी यू सून, बाद में देखता हूँ. आई विल सी यू सून. एंड ही सेड गुड बाय, जूली. बोले थे ना जूली मतलब हाय और गुड बाय, तो ही सेड जूली. ओके, लेट अस गो हेड. द नेक्स्ट डे एट स्कूल, Abdul went to see the headmaster. Julie sir, I want to talk to you about a girl from our village. Her name is Saskit. ओके तो नेक्स्ट डे दिस इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. देखो तो नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ. अब्दुल ही वेंट टू द स्कूल टू सी हेडमास्टर. उसने तो हेडमास्टर को देखा एंड बोला ग्रीटेड. ओके गुड मॉर्निंग और हेलो हाय ऐसा ग्रीट किया एंड बोला कि मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करना है. जूली के आई मीन अबाउट अ गर्ल. हर नेम इज सस्कित. आई नीड टू टॉक अबाउट अ गर्ल फ्रॉम आर विलेज. हमारे विलेज में एक गर्ल है ना सस्कित. सो अबाउट हर आई नीड टू टॉक. किसने बोला? अब्दुल दैट बॉय है ना. यस ही सेड टू द हेडमास्टर. तो व्हाट इज द रेस्पॉन्स ऑफ द हेडमास्टर? लेट अस सी. यस आई नो हर. शी इज डिसेबल्ड इजंट शी? आस्क द हेडमास्टर. तो हेडमास्टर ने पूछा हाँ तो मुझे मालूम है लेकिन तो शी इज डिसेबल्ड नो. यस. तो अब्दुल ने रिप्लाई किया यस सर. शी यूजेस अ व्हील चेयर टू मूव अराउंड but cannot reach school as the path from her home is too uneven. I was wondering if we could help her, sir, since she wants to learn. We could all get together and level the path. We could also build a small bridge across the stream. ओके तो उसने क्या बोला? अब्दुल ने क्या बोला? हाँ यस सर वो तो व्हील चेयर यूज़ करती है टू मूव अराउंड नो. तो शी बिकॉज वो तो शी कैन नॉट वॉक नो दैट्स वाई शी इज़ यूजिंग व्हील चेयर बट शी कैन नॉट रीच द स्कूल. विथ द व्हील चेयर भी वो स्कूल नहीं रीच कर सकती है क्योंकि रोड फ्रॉम हर होम टू स्कूल रोड इज़ अनइवन. मैंने बोला था ना इट इज़ नॉट लेवल नहीं है अनइवन है. तो मैंने सोचा कि इफ़ वी हेल्प हर शी कैन कम टू स्कूल बिकॉज उसको तो लर्न करने के लिए तो मन है. शी वॉन्ट्स टू लर्न. तो इफ़ वी हेल्प हर शी विल कम टू स्कूल. सो लेट अस गेट टूगेदर. सब साथ में वो लेवल करते हैं ना रोड. इफ़ वी डू लेवल देन even if we build a bridge, small bridge bhi across the stream from her home to the stream, across the stream if we build a bridge तो वो भी चलेगा. she can come through that, it will be good. ऐसा तो अब्दुल ने बोला. you are right अब्दुल, let me discuss this with the other teachers. तो हेडमास्टर ने बोला हाँ यू आर राइट लेकिन मुझे ये डिस्कस करना है विद अदर टीचर्स. लेट मी डिस्कस एंड टेल यू लेटर. Okay. Then the next day, the headmaster called a meeting of all the teachers. He shared Abdul's idea with them. The group was excited about helping Saskit reach school. Okay. तो नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ? हेडमास्टर ने एक मीटिंग रखा. तो इन दैट मीटिंग ही सेड अब्दुल का आइडिया उन्होंने बोला कि अब्दुल ऐसा he said like this and so the group the teachers know they were very excited and unhone bola hi we are ready to help Saskit to reach the school. Okay. 2 weeks later the children of the government school gathered in the playground. They had come without their school bags. There were going to be no classes. The teachers divided the children into groups. One group worked in front of the Saskit's house and other on the path along the stream. Okay, तो क्या हुआ? 2 weeks later, children of this government school, सब they gathered together. Okay, उन्होंने gather किया है in playground and everyone came to the school without school bag. School bag नहीं लेके आए and classes भी नहीं होगा. Okay, why? Because they were decided to do help, to do work, to build the bridge. Okay, to make the road level. इसलिए they decided not to do any classes or not to bring school bags, books, etc. Okay, so the teachers ने divide किया children into 2 groups. ऐसे divide किया and one group A group they worked in front of Saskit school and the other stream, okay, on the stream. So on the path along stream hai na, wahan they worked there. The older children and the teachers worked on building a strong wooden bridge across the stream. Everyone laughed and sang as they worked. Okay, the old children will be there, no, matlab little big children will be there, no. So the elder, so that children and the teachers, they were in the work of building bridge, wooden made bridge they were building across the stream. Everyone, so they enjoyed the work, they didn't feel tough or difficult. They enjoyed, they were laughing and singing the song. So with the laugh and with the songs, they worked together. Dekho, when you see this picture, you can identify clearly. Dekho, here it is her home. Saski is sitting here, and here this is her home with small stones. They are making the road, means level, and यहाँ bridge बोला था ना, देखो stream, okay, this is the stream. ये तो cross करना है तो she cannot cross that, इसलिए small bridge they are making, okay. Teachers and elder student, elder children together they are making, okay. And then next, Saskit's parents gave hot tea and biscuit to everyone. Her grandfather watched the school children working. He wiped away the tear that rolled down his cheek. At the end of the day, he tried but happy, tired, the happy, sorry, at the end of the day, the tired but happy children returned to their homes. The path from Saskit's home to school was ready. Okay. So क्या हुआ? The children and the teachers, they were working now for building these bridges and to make the road level. So they will be tired doing their work. इसलिए तो Saskit का parents, they offered hot teas and biscuits. Of tea and biscuits they offered to everyone. And grandfather, he watched the children working. Okay. And he wiped, so he felt bad, no, that her granddaughter won't go to school. उन्होंने क्या सोचा, grandfather ने क्या सोचा, Saskit, you are dreaming lot of school, लेकिन तुझे मालूम है, आपको मालूम है कि you won't able to go to school because of your condition, disabilities. ऐसे इसलिए तो don't dream that you need to go school. ऐसे तो उन्होंने सोचा था ना, उन्होंने कहा ना. लेकिन now looking at these children, he got tears and he wiped the tears. Okay. At the end of the day, the children, they were very tired but they were happy. Okay. Children were tired, lekin they were happy. So happily they returned to their homes. So at last what happened? At the end, the path from Saskit's home to school was ready. Okay. The road was ready from Saskit home to school. Next morning, Saskit would go to school for the first time in her life. ठीक है? तो from next morning है ना, she was ready to go school. लेकिन वो क्या था? First day था, उसका first time था. Okay, to go to school, उसका तो dream था ना. So yes, it was a dream. लेकिन it was the first time in her life she is going to school. Here the lesson ends. Okay, that's it. Oh, that's what we saw the topic. Okay, Saskit goes to school. हमने पहले topic देखा ना. Yes, तो उसका dream था and that was the first time. Whereas she is going to school, she goes to school. Okay, well and good. So just watch the videos and go through the new words at least 2 times so that you can understand it better. Okay. Yes, until that, thank you. Bye.